Do you know even a simple average blogger earns hundreds and thousands of dollars every month from a blog? So, in this video, I am going to tell you about 5 blog ideas which have low competition, and I hope you stay connected to the video till the end. Before getting started to the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Karan and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So, let's get started. First category or niche we are going to talk about is cooking. It is mainly for the women who stay at their homes, who are housewives basically, who have a very good hobby of cooking and who are very good in cooking, and we need to tell them how they can monetize their hobby. So in this video, in this category or niche, they can rank very well, and even if they write the blogs in their native languages, so the chances of ranking the blog increases. Mainly it depends on how you optimize your blog. You need to learn all those things, and I'll try to make a separate video on that. And before that, I'll be showing you a website of people who are already doing it. There is a very less competition in this category, and you can rank in this category very well. And moreover, I'll be showing you people who are already doing this, their websites, and how much traffic they receive every month. So you'll be amazed by seeing that how much traffic they receive every month. So you can see we are on closetcooking.com, and you can see these are the ads. These are the ads. So you can generate revenue from ads also, from Google AdSense also. When you start blogging now, you will get to know there are multiple sources of earning from blogging. So these are the articles that they have uploaded about making different recipes, and let's see how much traffic they get every month on their website. If we go down, see they got approximate 3,87,000 visitors every month. So you can see the potential, because they not only earn from the visitors are looking at the blogs also. They are reading the blogs. Till the time they are reading the blogs, some of them click on the ads also, some of them watch the ads also. So people earn, the website owners earn from Google AdSense also, through the websites also. And affiliate marketing also, you can also add affiliate marketing links into this. So I told you there are multiple sources. So friends, the next category that we are going to talk about is pet care. By pet care, by the category, I mean you can make a website on this category name, and you can write a blogs, different situations, different problems and their solutions. You can write blogs on them in different varied. Like I said, in cooking you can write main topic will be cooking, and in divisions there will be different topics. Similarly, in pet care you can write this way, but for this you need to have very good knowledge of pet care, how to take care of pets, because it's not compulsory that you need to be a veterinarian. Some people who are taking care of pets since childhood, they know how to take care of pets. But still I recommend, if you are a veterinarian, you need to pursue this thing, and you can monetize your passion, because being a veterinarian is a passion in itself. So you can monetize your passion, and along with it you can use affiliate marketing and YouTube links. You can create YouTube videos, add YouTube links, and you can make a proper ecosystem. This is for all categories. I'll be discussing it at the end of the video also. So I'll be showing you a website where I'll show you some people who are already doing this and are receiving a lot of traffic worldwide. So just see the website and I'll let you know. Okay. Now you can see in terms of the pet care category, I am on the website petlifetoday.com. So you can see the articles here. If I go to the articles, yeah, if I go down, you can see different articles, different blogs on this side also, about how to take care of a kitten and everything about pets, how to take care of pets. And if I go up to similar web extension, and we see how much traffic this website gets, then you can see it gets approximate 1,08,000 traffic every month, which is not a bad number. And even if you make this kind of website in your native language, then it will help you a lot. So I'll suggest you to do and take action today and make such website today only. And if you don't have any website, you can just post your blog on, there are different websites, you can just post your blog there.
So the third category that we are going to talk about is architecture. There are so many searches every day, every hour, every month about architecture. So if you make a blog on architecture, the chances of ranking your blog is very high because the competition is very less, because people don't know about blogging, much about blogging. And moreover, if you make your blogs, any blogs, not even architecture, any category, the categories that I talked about previous also, any categories, if you make those blogs in your native language also, then there are very high chances that you can rank that blog high. If you have optimized that blog, for example, you are from Punjab and you have made that blog in Punjabi, so it is very easy for you to rank that blog because it is in your native language and you have targeted a particular audience, the audience that knows Punjabi. So similarly, you can make your blog in your native language and the chances of ranking your blog gets high, and the chances of your blog winning of your blog gets high. So basically you can use these tricks, and moreover along with it, you can make a YouTube channel. So you can record a video and you can use that YouTube link into your blog, so that people who don't like to read can go to your YouTube link, watch the video, and then they will get to know about what you were trying to say in the blog. So, and also you can use affiliate links also, and there are earnings from Google AdSense also once you start getting traffic. There are so many earnings that you can't even imagine. Before getting into the earnings, let me show you one website, some people who are already doing this, the Architect website, and how much traffic it is getting every day.
So you can see this is the architectural website that I was talking about, arc20.com. There are so many websites like this, and when we go to articles, right, we go to articles. Oh, we need to reload it. Let's go back. See, when we go to articles, see, these are the articles that I was talking about. You can also make such website and post articles just like this also, and if I show you their monthly visitors, you will be shocked. See, they get 6,15,000 visitors every month. So you can imagine how much they are earning from their just this website, just by uploading blogs and sitting at their homes waiting for people to visit their website and earn. So you can do this too.
So the next category that we are going to talk about is marketing. Marketing is a very broad term. You can narrow it down into different points, different queries of people. People don't know how to market their business, especially the small business owners. Most of them don't know how to market their business and how to grow it. So you can write blog on different topics, different small topics. You can find ideas on internet, ideas on Quora, yahooanswers.com. You can see what people are looking for in terms of marketing, and you can write articles on them, so that because everyone wants to grow their business, so you can help people with blogs, YouTube video links, and affiliate marketing products. You can make an ecosystem, as I already said, and you can use this in your favor and write blogs, help people, and earn from it. Now I'll be showing you a website for your reference which has lakhs of visitors every month. So let's look at the website.
So you can see I am on digitalmarketinginstitute.com and I have opened the articles section, and if we go down we can see different articles related to marketing. And the truth is, marketing is expanding every day, day by day. It is expanding a lot because of the growing technologies. Marketing is advancing every day. You can see different blogs about different topics, and if we go upwards and check the traffic on this website, we can now go below and we see 466k visitors every month, which is a great number. This shows that how nice this website is and how much traffic this is getting. So these are the ads, basically the ads from which you can earn.
So the next category that I'm going to talk about is very unique. That is dental category. You can write blogs on dental category. Imagine how many people every month have queries regarding to their teeth health or dental health. So you can help them with writing blogs on different situations, different problems and their solutions. So you can help them with that. Along with, already said, you can make YouTube videos. You can interlink these things. And for your reference, let me show you a website, so it will be clear to you how much people visit, how much lakhs of people visit a website every month.
Now, as you can see on the screen, we are on oralhealthgroup.com. So this is a dental blog website, mainly a dental website where you find dental services, and they have written blogs also. They have added blogs also just to attract audience into their website. So if we go down, you can see the blogs. These are all the blogs that they have uploaded. And if we talk about the monthly visitors on this website, we need to go on the right. We scroll down. You can see they get monthly visitors of approximate 3,10,000 monthly visitors, which is a big number. 3,10,000 is not a small number. So you need to start today. If you are interested in something, that may be anything, man, but you need to start today. You need to act. That's what matters.
These were the basic categories that we talked about in this video. There are endless number of categories we can write a blog about, and this was just a kind of introduction or a kind of idea you can use. So you can use any hobby, any idea, or anything you know about, any profession. If you are from industrial profession, technical profession, financial profession, you can use your profession and monetize that profession online. You need to know how you can monetize your profession online, because there are very simple things. Once you write a blog and you add the links, now you don't know how much traffic is coming on them, because it is active after a month also, after 2 months also, after 3 months also. But one thing about blogs is you need to make little changes every time you write a blog. You need to check the stats of the blogs, and you need to optimize it properly to rank it properly. And success doesn't comes in a day. You have to work hard, 1 day, second day, 10th day, 100th day, but success will definitely come. Traffic will definitely come, but you need to know about sources, how you can get traffic to your website. So you need to write a good blog, good optimization, good topic, and good category, a unique category, a unique language, and these are the main points that you can use. So I hope you people like the video, and you must have liked the video already, na? So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and for more such videos please hit the bell icon also, so you get the notification also. And thank you so much for sparing your time and watching my video, and thank you so much. Have a good day and good night.